State whether you agree or disagree with the following statement. First one, in the case of pro rata allotment, the excess allotment money received must be refunded. Answer is disagree. Reason है, in the case of pro rata allotment, the excess application money is transferred to share allotment money account and not to the refund account. इस केस में जो भी एक्स्ट्रा पैसे होते हैं वो शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट मेंटेन किया जाता है, उसमें जाता है, ना कि ये रिफंड किया जाता है, ये एडजस्ट हो जाता है अलॉटमेंट केस में. Second one, calls in advance account is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Answer is disagree. Reason behind it is calls in advance is a money that is received by the company. ये company receive करती है from the shareholder before the call has been made, and hence it is a liability of the company and it is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Third one, the authorized capital is also known as a nominal capital. Answer is agreed. Reason behind it, authorized capital or the nominal capital is the amount of share capital which a company is authorized to issue by its memorandum of association. Memorandum of association is a main document in the formation of the company, जिसमें कैपिटल कितना होना चाहिए कंपनी का ये डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली द ऑथराइज और नॉमिनल कैपिटल ऑफ द कंपनी कैन बी. Fourth one, paid up capital can be more than called up capital. Answer is disagree. Reason behind it, the portion of a called up capital which has been actually paid by the shareholder is called paid up capital. Calls in advance does not form the part of paid up capital and it's shown separately on the liability side of the balance sheet. Hence, the paid up capital can never be more than called up capital. Fifth one, joint stock company can raise huge amount of capital. Answer, agree. Reason behind it is joint stock company is a form of organization that invites capital from the general public and hence can raise a huge amount of capital. Question number 6, when the shares are forfeited, share capital account is credited. Disagree. When the shares are forfeited, unpaid call account and shares forfeiture account is credited, whereas share capital account is debited. Seventh one, director can reissue the forfeited shares. Agreed. Reason is director can forfeit and reissue the forfeited share as per the articles of association. डायरेक्टर्स को पूरा राइट है शेयर्स को फॉरफिट करना और री इशू करना एज पर द आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन. When the issued price of the share is 12 and face value is 10, the share is said to be issued at premium. Agree. Reason is that premium is a excess ऑफ इशू प्राइस ओवर द फेस वैल्यू. यहाँ पे फेस वैल्यू ₹10 दिया है और मार्केट में वो शेयर्स जो है इशू हुआ है 12 को, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ मोर देन 10. सो दिस इज द केस ऑफ अ प्रीमियम. सिंस द फेस वैल्यू इज 10 एंड इशू प्राइस इज 12 per share, it is said to be issued at premium. Public limited company can issue its share without issuing its prospectus. Answer, disagree. Reason, prospectus is a document that provides complete information about the company to the prospective investor. इन्वेस्टर को जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए होती है कंपनी के बारे में वो प्रॉस्पेक्टर में लिखा हुआ होता है. इशूइंग प्रॉस्पेक्टर इज ऑल्सो अ लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट और ये लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट कंपलसरी है प्रॉस्पेक्टर इशू करना. हैंस द पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी कैनॉट इशू इट्स शेयर्स विदाउट issuing its prospectus. पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी के लिए ये कंपलसरी है कि वो जब भी इशू करे शेयर्स, उसके साथ प्रॉस्पेक्टर भी इशू करना, ये एक लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। 10.1 Share can be issued for the consideration other than the cash. Agreed. Reason: company can issue the shares for the consideration other than the cash. यहाँ पे उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिया है, इट कैन इशू द शेयर्स फॉर द परचेज ऑफ मशीनरी। ऐसा नहीं है जब पैसे की ज़रूरत होती है तभी मार्केट में शेयर इशू किए जाते हैं। अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मनी देर आर अदर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑल्सो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल परचेज ऑफ न्यू मशीनरी, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यू बिल्डिंग, न्यू प्रमाइसिस, उसमें भी पैसा लगता है और तभी कंपनी शेयर्स मार्केट में इशू कर सकती है। दैट्स वाई इट इज़ सेड दैट शेयर्स कैन बी इशूड फॉर कंसिडरेशन अदर दैन cash.